Hi, well I got my Leap Motion today and haven't opened it up. I can't believe I'm doing an unboxing video. G'day. It seems like the nerdiest thing in the world. Oh wow, okay. That's the box. And inside... Oh, how awkward are unboxing videos. Okay, there's totally a thing I need to cut. Alright. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. Right, it says activate at leapmotion.com/setup. Right, Mac download. Oh, so pretty. Yes, I would like to open it. Get cracking. There's a video. Okay, I'm gonna watch some video while we do that. Okay, good. So I'm going to plug this in. Let's see where we go from here. Right. Okay, installed. Now what? Now what? Right, lighting conditions. Sure. Oh! Here we go. Boom. Put it there. Do things. I'm excited. I'm super excited. Whoa, things are changing. Ooh. This music is intense. This is killing me. This is just a white screen. I've got a... Nope. Yes, preparing for launch. Alright, oh, things. I would like to orientate things. I think I now have it, so here we go. Oh shit! That's amazing. What is... Come at me bro. Okay, so I don't think you need to see my face anymore. Let's do some product shot. If you're annoyed at how bad my how dirty my desk is, that's why I need touchless things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alrighty. Whoa. Oh, okay. Oh wow. So it's looking. The eye is looking at this finger. What do you want? What do you want from me? Oh, I hit him in the eye. Is that what I'm supposed to do? Oh, I don't know. This is the hardest thing I've ever done. Shit! Come on now. Stop training me how to point at you. Right. So I did that. Congratulations, Chongers. Right, we have a menu. Don't look at me. Oh, okay, there's things. Oh. What is going on? Okay, I have to solve puzzles. Can I put... Am I touching that thing? Fucking hell. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know what this game is. Shit. What is the point of this? All of a sudden I'm Ravi Shankar. What's happening? How would I even get out of this fucking game? Okay, what happens when I get the 3? Okay, I selected 3. Now what? Spin your face. Jesus. Can I get 2 of these at the same time? Can I get a witness? Don't look at me. Oh, fucking hell. Okay, I'm just gonna go one hand because I'm spin. Oh, hang on. So if... Okay. Stop moving your fucking cheeks. Go. Get in there. You horse. Oh. Fuck. This is hella difficult. You know what? I'm out. I'm out of this game. I don't know what to do. Man, when it rains, it pours. I've just got an email from a Kickstarter that I was following called Control Console, which is controlling things with a Mac, with an iPad, and it's going live tonight as well. And I am now wanting to do this, so I don't know how to work together.